Hi everyone! It's time to sweeten up your Valentine's Day celebration with a delicious and fluffy dessert. Today I'm making a Cherrylicious Pineapple Fluff. This has a great combination of sweet and tangy flavors. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple undrained, 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 3.4-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding mix. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Then add 1 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling. And you can take out some of the cherries if you like to use it as a garnish at the end. Now stir this together well. Next, add 1½ cups of mini marshmallows. Stir this together until it's combined. Finally, add 1 8-ounce package of frozen whipped topping thawed. Now gently fold this in. Now just chill this in the refrigerator for several hours to let the flavors blend together. And here it is, Cherrylicious Pineapple Fluff. The fluffy and fruity goodness of this dessert is sure to make your Valentine's Day a little sweeter. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Let's try to get this on shot. Woo. Ah. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! I went for the cherry on top. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. It's time to sweeten up your Valentine's delicious and fluffy, a delicious and fluffy. Hi everyone. I didn't get any of the ingredients out for this. Happy Valentine's Day.